baby. $90. $90.
That's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah.
I've actually had this hair since May 11th of 2022. Okay, I'm just now reviewing it. I think when I bought the hair, it was like $115, but now it's $90. $90 for some bomb a hair. It's a virgin hair unit. Y'all are sleeping on this wig if you don't get it. Okay, I just had to come and say that. These are the details of the unit. This is Hermosa's 4x4 deep wave wig. She's 22 inches and the density is 150. Let's get into the knots. They're super duper small. Let's get into the deep wave curls. I'm here for those curls. I'm obsessed with this type of curls, okay? This type of curl. But anyway, y'all, this is the overall construction of the unit. We're gonna get right into the video, okay? Okay. I started off by bleaching the knots. So these are the products that I used, and yeah. So this is the next day. I allowed the hair to air dry. But baby, look at these curls, okay? Now the lace is a transparent lace. We're gonna have to tint it, okay? Because no, ma'am. So off camera, I did go ahead and tint the lace using Red by Kisses tinting spray in the shade medium dark brown. Y'all can see for yourself. That product, baby, it just turned that transparent lace into HD, because you can't tell me nothing, okay? So we're just gonna go in and remove the lace that is not needed, and I'm just creating small jagged edges to get rid of that lace. And when it comes down to the edge of the closure, I try to cut as close as possible to that, you know, that thick white line over there. I have to cut as close because, baby, I need that gone, okay? But y'all can just see this lace disappearing into my forehead, and it's not even an HD lace, it's transparent. So you can wear this glueless if you'd like, but you probably will have to sew an elastic band on the inside because it probably just won't slide back. But I'm sticking a comb underneath to show you guys that there is no product on this lace. Y'all see how it melted with no product? So now we're going to go ahead and slide the wig back, and we're going to add our security. This is my Ebin Supreme Lace Spray, and I am spraying on the outside of the closure where it ends because I am going to stretch the lace so it can appear like it's a frontal, but really it's giving closure, but it's really going to be a frontal. So anyway, we're just going to allow this to dry. I keep touching it with my finger to make sure it's tacky before I lay it down, because if it's not tacky, it's not going to stick. Now that it's tacky, we're going to pull it down. We're going to align it with the product and pull it down. But like I said, we're going to stretch that lace as far as it can go because I want it to mimic a frontal. Now to follow up with my comb, this is just helping that lace melt into my forehead. Sometimes certain areas don't stick, so you're just gonna have to go back in and just add a little bit more product and allow it to dry and stick it right on down. So boom, she look good, y'all. That lace melted, okay? But we're gonna add our elastic band and allow it to sit for 2 to 3 minutes. So this is what it looks like once we let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, and she looked good. I had to zoom out because, baby, yes. But now we're going to go ahead and define the part. I'm going to go ahead and clean up the part, which I'm so happy they provided me with the middle part because it be taking me forever just to get a middle part, and I don't know why, okay? Now I'm just defining the part by using Kisses Cream Foundation, and we're going to go ahead and make that part pop, okay? So this is what it looks like. Y'all know I'm gonna go in and do some baby hairs. Like I said, I always say baby hairs are optional. It's a personal preference. So we're just gonna go ahead and part out a section, and I'm gonna do this on both sides, and we're gonna go ahead and, you know, cut at an angle. So we're gonna go in with my pencil flat iron from Kiss, and we're gonna go ahead and curl those under. And this really has changed the game for me because my baby hairs has been taking me so quick. It's been super quick to do, okay, because of this method. But this product that I use to do my baby hairs, I will have it listed down in the description section below. I seen the girlies on TikTok use this product, and I also seen Aaliyah's face talk about it in her recent Get Ready With Me as well. And baby, I'm obsessed. They used it on their natural hair, and I bought it to use on my natural hair, but I was like, let me try it on this wig, okay? Since it's virgin hair, let me try it. And I love it. Now, if you're used to your baby hairs being hard and stuck on your forehead, you might not like it because it's like wax based. So it's not gonna give you that hard and crunchy feel. Now, I do go back over and add some got2b glue just so it can, you know, stay in place a little bit longer. But I really like this product because it's like a soft hold, and it helps me really mold my baby hairs. So I'm obsessed with it, okay? Lastly, I'm going in with my Sebastian hairspray to help me get my little bumps I like in the front of my wigs. I'm not doing the curly hair routine. I just actually let it air dry, and it formed these beautiful curls after they dried. So do be mindful if you go in and do the wet the wet hair look. If you do that, your density is gonna look thinner. It's gonna look thin, okay? Like when your hair is wet, it's gonna look thin. So if you let it air dry, it's gonna poof out. But all I used was water, y'all, and let them dry. And these are my curls. So no curly hair routine, just water and let them air dry, period. But this hair, y'all, I'm just obsessed. I'm obsessed. Normally, I don't like short curly hair, but this one is given on all types of levels. Like, I'm just obsessed, okay? But I'm gonna tell y'all something right here. Right now, it's only $90. $90. Minimum shedding. Barely no tangle. But I did wash it. Y'all already know. I went and washed it. I bleached the knots. And I condition it. And with my conditioner, I always let my conditioner sit in for 30 minutes. But like I said, the hair was already soft, so you don't need to do that part. But that's just what I did personally. So don't sleep on it weed. So yeah, y'all know I love this unit. I'm gonna go ahead and get off. The sun is going down. I'm trying to turn all my lights on. But y'all, this unit speaks for itself. That's on what? That's on period. Okay. So yeah. Until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.